tar and we got bug guts on the front of my truck. I just got it back from the dealership the other day. I curb checked something. There was some tar in the area. Just took too tight of a turn. Anyway, so got the bugs in the front. I'm going to show you how fast I can get this off and how fast I can do it in the front. Now, something to keep in mind when you do this, you do want to make sure you have a water source. So I'm going to go grab my power wash to the front of the vehicle real quick. I forgot it, but bear with me. Alright, and we're back. Alright, I'm going to show you how fast I can get this off, okay? I absolutely love this product. I think some of y'all might enjoy it too. Alright, you ready? I'm going to zoom in. Here we go. I want y'all to see how fast I get this off. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Done. Alright, we're going to rinse. There we go. I don't want full pressure. I just wanted to show y'all that. Okay, so we're going to leave that there. I'm going to slowly move the camera. Whoop, bear with me. Here we go. Here we go to the front of the vehicle. I have some nice juicy bug guts up here. Okay, here we go. Alright, so y'all can see we got a bunch of nice nasty bug guts on the license plate, and then we're going to come over here and show y'all we got a bunch of other stuff going on. Okay, I'll bring y'all back in a second. I'm going to focus on the license plate, okay, and then I'll zoom y'all in just a little bit and y'all can see. Yeah, I don't care. Look at my license plate. I got no shame. All right, microfiber sponge. I normally use this. You want to be careful on the plastics. You don't want to get it on there. It will turn it brown. If you use it on the chrome paint, works great. Just make sure you have water. Make sure you have water source. And I'm going to show you how fast it comes off, okay? All right, here we go. The reason I use this stuff is because of how fast and effective it is, all right? So we got it on there. You can see. Ready? Here we go. And this is acidic. This has been sitting here for at least 4 or 5 days. There we go. A little bit goes a long way. Don't have to use a lot of the product. You can already see I'm already done. Okay, there's a little bit up there. All right, and then we'll go over here and I'll work this little, whoa, well, I'm so sorry. We'll work that little spot right here. We got some right here. All right, so we got some right there. You can see it's working right there. So we got some hard water spots, but you can see how fast that came off. Okay, all right, and then we'll go up here. We got some on the paint right here. Hold on, bear with me. Gone. All right, we're gonna go down here. I'm gonna take y'all with me, all right, on this. All right, bear with me while I one hand this. Can you see how fast that's coming off? Got some more over here. All right, oh, here we go. We got a good one right there. Can y'all see that? Right there. Here we go. Ready? Like it was nothing. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed that. The product I'm talking about, Citrol 266. If you don't have it, I highly suggest investing in it. It costs like 70 bucks on Amazon, but this little can is a lifesaver, and I'm gonna rinse while I'm talking. Get that up there. Well, nature of me today. I've just been dropping everybody. Did a live video earlier, so now we're gonna rinse it off. But the reason I love this stuff is just because of how fast it works, okay? It's just so fast and so quick. It is just a time saver, all right? So hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry about the bump. Just been how it went today for me. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Keep it simple. I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.